We are back again. In this tutorial, we will be learning breaks in Python with the help of examples. The break is a keyword in Python which is used to bring the program control out of the loop. The break statement breaks the loops one by one. That is, in the case of nested loops, it breaks the inner loop first and then proceeds to outer loops. In other words, we can say that break is used to abort the current execution of the program and the control goes to the next line after the loop. The break is commonly used in the case where we need to break the loop for a given condition. Excuse me. And let's see the syntax of this break statement, the loop statement, and just we have a break and colon. Now, let's check with an example in our code how the break will work. Now, break least is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, count is equal to 1 for I in least. If I equal to 4, print item match count is equal to count plus 1. Now we use break break print count it comma count comma location. I have entered some wrong spelling mistakes. Let's execute this code. Found at one location, found at one location, found at one location, item match, and a break. The reason why is found at one location, what we are asking I is equal to 4. So it's counting 1, 2, 3. So we have it over here, 3 times found at one location. Then we have item match. That's it. And the break statement applied. So the break executed. Right. Let's try with another example. Str is equal to Python. Right. Let's string for I in str colon if I equal to 0, I equal to sorry O colon then break. Okay. Print I. This is our break statement. Let's see. So I'm asking if I is equal to 0, then apply the break. So it printed pyth. So we found O, so it applied the break and the code has been ended. This is the okay. Let's try another code with the while loop. Break statement with while loop. Break statement with while loop. I is equal to 0 while 1 print I comma comma n equal to this. Then I is equal to I plus 1. If I equal to 10, Then now break. Print came out of while loop. See, at 9 it applied the break, came out of while loop. This is how the break function works. Hope you guys understand how the break function works with an example. So hope you enjoyed this short and sweet session of a break in Python. Okay, you have a good day and take care. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Okay, bye bye.